In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to disable on-screen keyboard at startup in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, we need to bring up our control panel. So how we can do so, at the button search bar, please type for panel. Once done typing, a best match should appear, which is the control panel. Click on open to continue. And in a few moments, you would be redirected to the window itself. So from here, you need to change the view into large icons. So proceed to the upper right side of the screen, go with large icons. Once done, please locate with the option called Ease of Access Center, which is in my case, it is being placed at the fourth column next to Credential Manager. So click on it. Eventually, you can see this kind of window. Please choose for use the computer without a mouse or keyboard. And you need to proceed to use on-screen keyboard. And all you need to do is you need to uncheck this one. So if you, in your case, it is being checked, unchecked it, click on apply and then OK. And close the window once you're it and restart your computer. So navigate to the start icon, click on it, go with your power menu options and click on restart. Once you've restarted it, you would be able to successfully disable the on-screen keyboard at startup here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay? So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.